Hi folks, welcome back. As you can see, I've been doing a wee bit of shopping. I've picked a bench toilet up off Marketplace, literally just back with it. So it needs a clean. That's a mission for the missus. As you can see, this is why I had to take the little angle piece off. It's because I want to put the toilet in that position. So yeah, I'm quite pleased. Got myself a bargain. Toilet roll holder. It's the electric flush. So decent sized cassette as well. So it's yeah, just wants a good clean. As I say, it's man case where it's been stored and whatnot, so I'll give it a right good gut. Or rather, the missus will give it a good gut. But anyway, today's mission, seeing as it's a nice day, is to get the windows out. I actually got this one out yesterday. I'd no sooner got it out and the fucking heavens opened, so I had to stick it back in. So this one today, get that out. So onwards and upwards. So mostly stuck it on fast forward because you don't want to sit and watch me unscrewing screws from a window. So I've stuck it on fast forward just to sort of dim me down a bit. But yeah, what a mission it is getting them out. There he is, the bald fella Simba, hanging out the window as usual. So I've got the multi-tool on it to try and cut through the adhesive. Because it's, as you can imagine, 46-year-old adhesive. It's well and truly set. So it took a serious bit of work on behalf of the multi-tool, not me, I might add. Yeah, so basically multi-tool, couple of mil of it, and then prise the chisel to sort of try and bend and stretch the adhesive, and then back in with the multi-tool again, because you can get another bit deeper and just keep working at it until you've got enough. But it's such a tight fit to start with, so I'll take all the plastic trim from the inside. Sorry about the sun, I didn't realise where it was. As I say, it's right in the lens of the camera basically. But yeah, it was a bit of a mission. It was a bit of a mission. So basically what's happening is the windows will be getting put in. I've got some weather seal, some rubber weather seal, which I'm going to stick onto the back of the window for now, and put the windows in with that. Won't be staying like that. It's more or less so that I can do the body work that I want to do and take the windows out as I'm doing it. I can get the van ready and prepped for paint, and then when it comes to same again, when it goes to paint, I can take the windows out, mask up the openings, and that way the reveals, everything gets painted, and then put the windows in afterwards properly with Sikaflex. So here we are, we got to that moment of truth, where the final prize is a window out. So yeah, it's just open up the window just to let the frame flex a bit more. As I say, it's really strong stuff, but you just got to keep persevering with it a little bit at a time. leavering a little bit at a time, and then cutting another little bit. It really is a slow, tedious job, hence why I've stuck you on to fast forward. There you go, we've got it on the move. Shut the window. So it's just getting that little bit of movement, and then it sort of a tears. There you go, we're out. So just take the 4 screws that I put in that one yesterday. As I say, I literally no sooner got it out, cleaned the adhesive off the sides of the van, was about to go and get the DA to turn me around it, and I was going to, and I just, no. Next minute, boom, rain. And oh no. So I had to just go and grab the window, throw it in, grab all the tools, throw all the tools in the garage. So it was a bit of a panic stations, but never mind. So, bit of duct tape, popped in it, and as I say, it was got a couple of screws in the top, a couple of screws in the bottom. As I say, I literally just put 4 screws back in it. I can't remember, 4 or 5 screws, just to pull it back into the, and then duct taped it round just so that no water could get in behind the frame and into the door. Last thing you want is a load of water inside the door cavity. But yeah, they're not an easy thing to remove, especially without doing damage, because normally anybody who removes these from caravans and stuff, they actually just cut the metal in. But obviously I'm having windows basically the same size as the windows that's coming out, so I can't damage the opening. So there we go. Just shows you, that was just put back in last night, and the adhesive's already grabbed it again. So there we go. Let's see, we've got all the adhesive to scrape off. So I'll just mark the corners, because obviously the new windows are square. The bottom of these ones obviously was rounded, so I've just got to cut off the curve and make it square. So just mark it up, and I'll get the jigsaw out, the metal blade in it, and just cut it, and then check, see how the fit is. But what a beautiful day it's been today, been lovely. Thoroughly enjoyed working outside today. Let's hope this is the weather starting to change for the better. Get some nice sunshine all day today. As I say, we'll get this marked up and cut out, and have a trial fit of the window and see how it fits. It should be alright. I've measured it up and it's very close, very close. So I say we'll give it a, let's say hello. Yeah, Old Faithful, a little cordless jiggy. Moment of truth. Oh, she's a thing of beauty. What a great fit. Nice and tight. So we'll take it back out, get the edges prepped, and we're good to go. Now, so I thought. As it turned out later on, I've prepped all the edges, primed it all. Some panel wipe there, get it all cleaned off. I say I spent a wee bit of time with the DEA. I don't know what happened. I'm having issues with the camera at the moment. It's deciding to switch off for no apparent reason, because I set the camera up when I was DEing all the edges and taking all the adhesives off, so I could see what was involved, and for some reason it hasn't. Anyway, I DA'd all the edges, got rid of all the adhesive, took it back to bare metal in certain places, so just cleaning it all off. I blew it off with the L line, cleaning it off with the panel wipe now, and then I'm going to vac tan the bare metal. For you that don't know, vac tan is it's a rust inhibitor, or whatever you want to call it. I just put it in a wee cup because it's a big. It's a big litre tub I've got. So I just put it in a little, and basically it turns the metal purple, and it's a converter, whatever it is. There's so many different names that they call it. Some people call it a rust inhibitor, a rust treatment, a rust eater. So anyway, done that, let it dry, and then I've just etch primed, just rough. It's all rough as a badger's because it's all coming back off again. The whole van's getting sanded down for paint. So this is just to stop. Because I live so close to the sea, literally, this would be rusty tomorrow morning if I just left it the way it was. So, just etch primer, go around it all, let that dry. Once that dries, we'll be ready to stick the windows in. But as I say, again, windows are only going in temporarily because they'll be coming out and in to do the bodywork. So if I can get these two done this week, I'll be happy, and then I can start on the next weekend that I've got, where the weather's permitting. So, and you see, bit of lining paper on the inside just to mask off there, just to stop it, the paint going in. But it means that the reveal edges are getting done as well. So, as I say, bit rough and ready, runs everywhere, who cares? I don't care, as long as the metal's protected. As I say, it's all getting sanded back off again. So, anyway, we had a bit of a disaster. Got it all primed up, got it all sorted. I fixed the adhesive strips, the rubber draft proofing strip that I'm using as a temporary seal. Offered the windows up, brilliant. Got the frame from the inside, put the screws in. They're about 20mm screws. The gap that I'm trying to fill is 50. So, search the garage, I've not got anything that size of a self-tapper, so anyway, it is what it is. They're not going in today, so I had to just put some black polythene over it just to weather seal it. But look at the night, look at that for a finish to the evening. Absolutely glorious night, what a sunset. It's 5:15 at night, and that's the sun just dropping down over the beach. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the wee video. If you did, give us a like and a subscribe. Take care out there, people. Enjoy that sunshine.